Hello, fellow traders. You're welcome back to River FX. I am dropping another gem, another trading system. This is also based on the RSI divergence, but not really the RSI in this case, but just basically the divergence trading system. Divergence trading system. Now, what this does is mark out the divergences. I have attached a supply and demand along with it. So in this case, I don't really care about the errors. But whenever I see these divergences, along with the confluences that I'm going to be showing you, I just take my entry. I take my entry. So in this case, this, and we would have these crossing over, but it is not at the base. So I will not take this entry. I will not take this entry. However, you see in this case, these touching the base and the crossover, the green and the red, I will take the buys. And I will hold till this midpoint as my basic take profit for someone who is not quite experienced. But if you know what you're doing, you can hold it up to the upper zone. And at the upper zone, yeah, there were no supply, but we could see the divergence forming already. But in this case, for me, if there was supply right here, even though this played out a little, if there was supply right here, and this crossover happens at this overbought zone, I would take the entry, pick a few pips, and get out. This is the 4-hour time frame, so you know how much pips you will pick from here. And then you wait for another entry. In this case, this went well, but it is not one that I'd advise. It has to touch this green zone before you enter. Right here is another perfect sell that is cooking as at the time of making this video. So it's going to definitely push down a little, at least probably into this demand that I see right here. Probably into the zone. Sorry guys, this app is misbehaving. Into this zone right here. Yes, this zone right here. And maybe finally into the zone right here. So, but whatever the case is, the trading system works well. You can give it a try. See what it does for you. It has a good win rate. And in this case, it tells you on each pair what the spread is. It gives you the stop loss, it gives you the take profit, and it basically tells you everything. And the good part about it, you can close all your orders, you can close all profits, you can close all losses. It also depends on you and how you intend to trade. So this is just basically it on this trading system. I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.